Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best stainless steel farmhouse sinks that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Lordier 36-inch farmhouse kitchen sink. This sink is designed for those who need ample space for heavy-duty kitchen tasks. With its massive 36 by 21 by 10-inch dimensions, it's perfect for soaking and scrubbing large pots, pans, and flat-bottomed cookware. Made from 16-gauge T304 stainless steel, this sink offers exceptional durability and resistance to rust and dents, while the brushed finish adds a professional touch to its look. The 10-inch depth is great for preventing water splashes during use, and the R10 rounded corners make cleaning hassle-free. Performance-wise, the X-shaped water guide ensures fast and efficient drainage, avoiding stagnant water. The thick rubber silencer pads and soundproof undercoating minimize noise, giving you a quieter kitchen experience. Included in the package are a roll-up drying rack, bottom grid, drain assembly with basket strainer, and installation instructions, making it easy to set up and use right out of the box. Users have praised its spaciousness and durability, but the large size means it requires a cabinet base of at least 39 inches, which might not work for smaller kitchens. If you're looking for a sink that combines functionality and style in a larger form factor, this is an ideal choice. However, its size and weight might make installation more challenging. Pros include its premium build quality and generous space, while the cons are its bulky size and higher weight compared to other options. At number 4, we have the Gomji 33-inch farmhouse sink, a versatile workstation sink that's perfect for busy kitchens. This sink is crafted from dent-resistant T304 stainless steel in a sturdy 16-gauge construction, ensuring durability and longevity. The deep basin design accommodates larger cookware, while the brushed satin finish resists scratches, stains, and dents, keeping it looking pristine over time. The standout feature here is the built-in steps that serve as tracks for sliding accessories, transforming the sink into a high-efficiency workspace. You can easily switch between the included cutting board, colander, and roll-up rack for meal prep without cluttering your countertops. In terms of performance, the sink is equipped with soundproofing features like thick rubber pads and a heavy-duty paint coating to reduce noise and vibration, making it quieter than most sinks. The X-shaped water guideline ensures quick and complete drainage, reducing the risk of clogging. Measuring 33 inches wide, 22 inches deep, and 9 inches high, this sink fits standard kitchens with a minimum cabinet size of 36 inches. Users have praised its sleek design and functionality, but some have noted that the apron height is slightly shorter than the bowl height, which might affect the aesthetic fit for certain setups. Overall, the Gomji sink is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maximize efficiency in the kitchen. Pros include its workstation design and durable construction, while the cons are its slightly shorter apron height and heavier weight. Coming in at number 3 is the UFaucet 33-inch farmhouse sink. This sink is a fantastic choice for those who value quality and efficient design. Constructed from high-grade stainless steel with a scratch-resistant satin finish, it's built to withstand years of use while maintaining its sleek appearance. The 33-inch width provides plenty of space, and the 9-inch depth is great for accommodating large bowls and cookware. The integrated workstation ledge allows you to slide accessories like the included cutting board, colander, and roll-up rack, making it perfect for multitasking in the kitchen. The sink's X-shaped groove and slight bottom slope enable quick and efficient drainage, preventing water stagnation and clogs. The R10 smooth arc corners are safe and easy to clean, enhancing the user experience. With soundproofing features like heavy-duty rubber padding and SoundGuard undercoating, this sink ensures a quieter kitchen environment. The package includes a drain strainer, bottom rinse grid, and installation guide, meaning you have everything you need to get started. However, some users have noted that its satin finish is slightly more prone to showing water spots compared to brushed finishes. If you're looking for a sink that offers great functionality, durable construction, and a modern design, the UFaucet 33-inch farmhouse sink is a solid contender. Pros include its superior drainage system and versatile workstation design, while the cons are its susceptibility to water spots and slightly challenging installation. At number 2, we have the Lordair 33 Farmhouse Sink, a well-rounded workstation sink that's perfect for medium to large kitchens. With dimensions of 33 by 22 by 10 inches, this sink offers plenty of space for washing larger dishes and cookware. It's made from 16-gauge T304 stainless steel, which is thicker than the industry standard, making it highly resistant to dents and rust. The brush surface ensures easy cleaning and durability, while the soundproofing undercoating and rubber padding minimize noise during use. One of its standout features is the ledges on the front and back, allowing you to slide the included accessories, such as the cutting board, colander, and roll-up rack, across the sink to streamline meal prep. The X-shaped water guide and slope design ensure thorough drainage, while the R10 rounded corners simplify cleaning and maintenance. The package also includes bottom rinse grids and a basket strainer drain, providing everything you need for a complete setup. Users have praised its sturdy construction and versatile design, though some have noted that installation can be slightly tricky due to its weight and size. Overall, the Lordair 33 Farmhouse Sink is a strong contender for anyone looking for a stylish and functional workstation sink. Pros include its durable build, efficient drainage, and noise reduction, while the cons are its heavier weight and slightly challenging installation process. Finally, at number 1, we have the Vivor 30-inch Farmhouse Kitchen Sink, the ultimate choice for practicality and value. With its 30-inch dimension, this sink strikes the perfect balance between space-saving design and functionality. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it resists high temperatures, dents, and rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. The polished finish adds a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements any kitchen style. The top-mounted design makes installation easier, while the front apron enhances the sink's appearance and usability. This sink comes with a premium Sahibali wood cutting board, stainless steel drain rack, draining basket, and a sink protector, creating a multifunctional workspace that saves countertop space. The X-shaped drainage pattern and slightly tilted bottom ensure quick and thorough water drainage, making it hygienic and easy to maintain. The rounded corners eliminate cleaning blind spots, while the brushed inner surface prevents scratches. Users have praised its practicality and affordability, though some have noted that the included accessories may feel lighter compared to those from premium models. For those seeking a reliable stainless steel farmhouse sink at a budget-friendly price, the Vivor 30-inch Farmhouse Kitchen Sink is a clear winner. Pros include its affordable price, versatile accessories, and durable construction, while the cons are its slightly lighter accessory build and smaller size compared to larger models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.